So, if you give me the fucking medium, I'll show it to you. I mean,
you just fuck the hand now.
Oh, fuck.
Jesus Christ, he's totally out.
It's like we're just trying to talk. He's like he snores over us.
That's the way Dr. Watson's wife sounds when he zips his pants down.
Yeah.
Hey, Watson.
I don't have a wife.
I can get
Oh,
it
shit,
straight.
sorry.
That's little Julio at Pizza's house.
Stop playing your porn music, Dr. Watson.
Hey.
Yeah, that won't wake them up.
Watson's letting little Julio sleep for a while.
Yeah. he's letting Manuel go to sleep.
Dude, I was asleep. I was totally out, and I woke up.
Hey,
because
Dr.
you guys...
Watson, is that the guy you just hired, Dr. Manuel?
Poor little Manuel.
Yeah, he's just like a...
Man, Patty's on.
God.
Well, unless that's Patty's wife. Maybe it's Patty's
Patty!
wife.
Patty!
No,
Wake up!
I think
Son of a bitch!
I think it's his wife.
That's Patty.
It's Patty's
Just,
wife.
like, hang him up. Duh.
The fuck?
Timungus, give him an elbow or push him out of bed.
Yeah. That's a good one.
Take the dick out of your ass.
Timungus not even here.
That was fucked up. Shit. Timungus went to the bathroom real quick.
Even off the planet of the Earth.
Yeah, my brother called me from Afghanistan. He says that it's actually not that bad of a country. There's not a lot of trees, though.
Between your legs, there's not a lot of trees.
No, he says Afghanistan has a lot of trees.
There's not a lot to see.
Oh,
He
shit.
says, you got me in so much trouble. I said, why is that? He says, that shit you were talking about the other night. I go, what shit? He goes, before you went down to Africa and you did that fucking shit. And I go, what about it? He says, you got me in trouble. I go, why? He goes, you talked about some stuff you weren't supposed to talk about. I go, like what? And he's like, this and that. And I'm going like, oh, fuck. They're just trying to intimidate you. I go, here's what you do. Because he's ComSpec. And basically that means he's in charge of communications. I said, here's what you do. I go, basically, just turn off all the communications for about 3 minutes and watch how bad everybody's fucking butthole is gonna pucker. You're the guy, man. Fuck, you're the guy.
The fuck are you looking at men's buttholes for anyway?
Like
Yeah,
little
well,
Manuel?
Don't fuck with the good guy, you know?
The good
Because,
guy.
you know, the only reason I did this is because I was following you in the world. I'm going like, well, you you joined the military, you fuckhead, not me. Live with it.
Did anybody hear anybody talk?
Here. How about how I haven't heard this
That's
song in a
Watson.
long time.
It's been too many nights you've been creeping.
The fuck was all that about? Yeah, he's probably one of those guys that let out of the state hospital for a while. Here's your computer. You could use
Well,
it for 1
that's
minute.
porn music.
I know Sarah always makes me think about porn music.
Timungus, don't start, okay?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What's
Yeah,
going
don't
on
start,
here?
Timungus.
Don't
So
start.
nice and skinny though. I bet you've got a sweet little small pussy.
Timungus, you know what? You're funny. You know that. Don't talk to me, okay?
Uh-oh, she's just doing that on purpose.
Uh-oh, what's going on here?
It's a tease.
What's the matter? Are you
No, you know what it is because the whole time Sean's
Are
in the
you
room, he don't want to say
embarrassed? Are
shit.
you-
But now
are you
Sean
em-
leaves, you want to open your mouth. Shut up.
Are-
Oh, is Sean gone?
I
Oh,
didn't say ugh. I didn't say anything
Quiet.
about Sean.
Be
Fuck
quiet.
Sean.
That boy.
Sean doesn't like me, dude. Sean doesn't like anybody with a U. That's the first
And I can understand
vowel.
why they don't like you.
Anybody with a U with the first vowel in their name, they don't like me.
That's fucked up.
Yeah, Uncle Monkey. Uncle Monkey.
Yeah, but your name is Sarah. Like, oh yeah, fuck me. Oh, blimey. Oh, God. Fuck the shit out of my fucking cornhole. Oh, God damn it.
Oh my
You
god.
great curly bastard. Oh, God.
Wish
Oh.
thinking,
I got
dude.
that recorded, you know.
Whoa!
Oh, you know what? You know what Genie's gonna do with that recording? He's gonna play it back.
You want me to see
Yeah,
what?
yeah. Yeah, it's,
Well,
yeah, it's
well,
payback time, Timungus.
She's gonna hear it every night for you, Timungus. Jenny's gonna get off to it. See now, Jenny's gonna play back your voice.
I'm picturing Timungus in his mother's wig and an old one of her dresses there.
Oh no,
How
please.
was that believe your brief
Yeah,
heart?
that's right.
With
That's
high
when he
heels.
That's when he had elbowed Patty, right?
Who is this guy? You're a dumb motherfucker. You never seen me on YouTube. Go to YouTube and type in a search for Timungus 1.
You're gonna see a guy with a dress and high heels.
Mm-hmm.
No, we've seen you on your, we've seen you sleeping on your couch.
Cigar and a beard.
The proper way to use a butt plug.
Oh my gosh.
Three steps how to put it in a butt plug.
How-to video.
just pay $9.99.
How not to put it in.
Just pay 3 payments of $9.99. Hey, that's stupid. Whenever you see those commercials where you see that time where it's going down there, you see that?
Now, what you're gonna see is me with like
You're gonna
no
see it me.
reservation.
What we want to see?
You're gonna see me on YouTube talking a bunch of shit like punk as fuck.
What the fuck is that?
I don't know.
What is that?
Oh, somebody's getting turned on by the.
Too hot.
No,
Too
I
hot.
realize-
Read.
No,
I didn't
it's not
realize
me. You
Oh.
can't blame this on me this time.
Those
Must
two,
be
hey,
Susie.
I was
Yep.
in here.
no,
Too high, your square was blinking there.
Yep.
Oh, it's
So
not
What?
Just getting off to your voice, Timungus.
It's me. Mine's much more realistic.
You
Oh,
like
is
your-
Timmy here
You
too?
know what? Her box is blinking all the time, I believe.
All you hear,
Timmy's here
all you
as
hear,
well.
hey, all you hear, zzz,
Oh, here,
Vibrator. Vibrator.
Yeah, the vibrator.
You guys don't even know
was
what it
my
sounds
dick
like
is in
to me.
your
I
ass.
think a lot of women like pagers when they were out in the 80s.
I am glad to hear your voice.
God, I
you
love
know.
giving women orgasms. Oh my god.
Oh god, I'm eating. Do you mind?
I bet your Dr. Watson used to page himself so he could vibrate. Zzz.
How did you know that they were real?
Right?
Oh.
Watson, that wasn't orgasms, that was gas.
That was a good one.
Anonymous.
Yeah, well, they get that too. Yeah, women are complex.
Watson,
They're
shut
always complex.
up. Watson, shut up.
No.
I'll say, hey, that's not what you tell them in bed.
Call up that Steve D guy again. He's a very lonely old Jewish man.
I bet you know he's lonely.
I'm an old
Yeah,
Jewish.
I bet
Are you talking about Stevie?
He's talking about Bullock. Oh, Jesus.
Barat. What do you mean Barat?
Shut
Dude,
up.
you know I don't have.
Stephen Bullock.
You know what?
What kind of vibrator is that? Shit. Somebody has one. Oh shit.
Oh,
Too hot.
Too hot as a vibrator. Fuck.
You know,
Yeah.
That sounded like a damn. That sounded like a horn, a ship horn, man. Shit.
Oh, dude, one of the favorite